got an apartment. Good morning. I don't know why I keep looking this when I'm supposed to be looking at the camera, but I'm looking at my face, so okay, let me look at this side. Welcome to another vlog. It's a Monday and yeah, it's currently 11 a.m. I woke up since I've been in bed just pressing my phone. Yeah, so I've already done my morning routine. Right now I have a hairstyling video I'm supposed to film, so that's also for today. And later on I might go and check some houses. Of course I'm not going to show you guys. We're still looking for a house. By the grace of God, we're going to get. I have a collab with my friend tomorrow on Tuesday. Yeah, we have a bridal collab to do, so I see you guys on the flip side. Hi guys, welcome back. This is me, this is I, back again with another flip. Today is Tuesday and it's currently 2 p.m. Yeah, I'm on my way for my collab photo shoot with my friend. Yeah, she's already making the model up. Sorry, my boat is here. Yeah, so we'll be taking you guys along, definitely. Yeah, all of my G. So yeah, see you guys when I get there. Please come and snap now. Hi guys, good morning. I know I look a mess this morning, but I just woke up and this is my morning face. Who's that? As I was saying before those people interrupted, today is Monday and I'm just here to give you guys a quick update on my house hunting. So we got a house last week, but I was already even happy that we got a house. At least it was a self-contained, even though we were going for 1 bedroom, but we couldn't get 1 bedroom. So we got it self-contained and we said, oh, it's better we just start from there. At least maybe after a year we can just move out. And this self-contained is very, very spacious. Like, it's really, really spacious. It has POP, everything wanted. There's constant lights, there's water. The compound is... So the guy is leaving the country and his rent is... He just stayed there for like a few months. I think he's left with 8 months. So I was looking for people to go enter the house and pay him the remaining rent. And so we agreed. So it's supposed to be 8 months we're paying. It was 6 months initially, but he messaged me that it's 8 months. We said no problem. At least we can stay there, and who knows, when the 8 months is up, we can get a better place or we can renew the rent, no problem. But then he started saying we'll have to buy the properties in the house, and honestly, the properties in the house I saw, I didn't like it. So the only thing we agreed to buy was the chandeliers and the LED lights. According to him, he said he bought those lights, and he said he designed the POP in the room. We said, there's no point for him to remove all those things. We're going to buy it. But as for the other properties, we don't need it. We had settled. So the plan was, when he's moving out, like 2 days before he moves out, he will let us know so we can pay. We've settled and we go home. I even started arranging our things because I was happy we already got a place, and only for this human being to call me on Saturday that that the house is no longer available. He didn't even call me, he called the agent that took us, that the house is no longer available, that somebody else bought the properties and the person rented the apartment too. Like, how does that make sense? You don't do that to people. I was speechless. I didn't even tell him anything. I said okay, and that's it. And these agents, they don't come cheap. You have to pay for inspection fee. You still have to even pay for their transport. Like, and after they get you a house, you're still going to pay them a percentage. So this whole house hunting thing is not fun. I beg. The best thing is just to buy your house or build your house. Honestly. Because I know myself, this house, I'm still going to move out. So I don't know why it's just so hard for them to look for a decent house for me. So yeah, that's the update for today. I don't really have much to do. It's just house hunting again. So yeah, I just had to come here and ramble a little bit because your girl is mad. I'm pissed. I'm laughing, but it's not funny. So see you guys on the flip side. It's been a minute. I've been working since morning. I've been coloring hair, so I haven't had time to talk to you guys. But yeah, it's currently 6 p.m. and I just got off work. Outfit of the day. So see you. Hi guys, welcome back to this vlog. Who's that? Today is, gosh, I lost track of the day. Today is I just got my cornrows done and I'm about to make a wig. Yeah, that's what I have to do today. See you guys later or tomorrow, I don't know. Hey loves, welcome back to this vlog. I do not understand this vlog. I'm not going to lie to you guys, but I'm happy. We finally got an apartment. Guys, I legit just woke up. I couldn't wait to share the news with you guys. I'm just so happy. Let me put up this fan. And as I was saying, we got our apartment. Finally, we got a new place. It's new, guys. They haven't still building it. They say it will be ready by in 2 weeks. I'm hoping it's going to be that 2 weeks. But what we saw yesterday, they were already screening the room to paint, and then they're yet to fix the toilets and the kitchen sink, and then the kitchen cabinets. Hopefully there's going to be a kitchen cabinet, so we do not have to waste money to make new ones. Definitely, I know I'm going to add more cabinets, but ew, we got an apartment. I'm so happy. It's a 1-bedroom apartment, by the way. It's a 1-bedroom apartment. It was what we've been looking for. Initially, we were not getting a 1-bedroom apartment, so we just decided to get a self-contained so we can start from there. But here we got a 1-bedroom apartment within our budget, guys. That's the sweetest part. Within our budget, it has POP. Thank God. Most houses they're showing us is PVC. I hate that thing. I hate PVC. Some they're even showing us silly old apartments. So I'm going to be doing an empty apartment tour. Yeah, I'm going to be doing an empty apartment tour by the time they are done and we've gone to clean the place. This smile is legit. The whole stress was worth it. See, when I say just trust in God, this whole house hunting, I had to start praying because it wasn't funny anymore. We live here since June. This is September already, and we're just getting an apartment. These ABUJA landlords are not smiling. Like, I don't understand. It's becoming worse. They're not smiling. You see a little house, they'll be calling you ridiculous amount of money. I didn't know God was saving this one for us. Like, it just came at the right time. Guys, trust in God in all you do. Honestly, I'm just so excited and I'm grateful. I'm so grateful to God for coming through for us. So that's the update, guys. I think my next vlog will be my moving out vlog. Hopefully it's going to be my moving out vlog before the empty apartment or empty apartment or before the moving vlog. I don't know. So I think I'm going to end this vlog right here because I do not have any more anything going on. The only thing that is going on with me now is how I'm going to figure out how to start packing. Is that English correct? I'm not taking so many things to that house. New house, new things. Let us know your experience during your own house hunting, and if you've not gone for your own house hunting, guys, you have to be ready because these agents, they'll deal with you. They'll collect your money and then don't worry, guys. But if you're planning on going for your own house hunting, just be prepared. Be prepared because anything is possible. Honestly, you might get lucky to have nice agents, but the ones I had, they were rubbish. Bunch of rubbish people. Only one agent helped us, and this agent, we didn't even pay him. Funny enough, we didn't even pay any inspection fee, but the way he took this whole house hunting thing on his head, guys. So be ready. So this vlog, I do not understand this whole vlog. I do not even know where the vlog is starting from, but I sure know this is where I'm going to end this vlog. So please don't forget to subscribe, guys. Subscribe. We're only at 30 subscribers right now. The growth is slow. It's really slow, but I thank God. Please don't forget to share this video, comment, click that notification bell to get notified, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out. Hey guys. I know I said I was going to end that vlog, but why not come to work with me? I think this machine wants to deal with you. This machine is out to get me today, and I must finish this hair. I must finish this wig. This machine is out to get me, and I need to finish this hair and send it to my client tomorrow. Because after this, I don't think I want to work on any hair until I move. So yeah. better behave bitch. Oh, this machine is not so loud. So guys, I think when I move, I'm going to start taking is it private classes? Yeah, for now I think I'll start taking private classes on how to use your machine to make your wigs. I can teach manual too if you want, but manual is just time consuming. I wouldn't advise, but it's good to always know how to sew manually before you start sewing with your machine, because some days this machine is out to get you and you would have to finish your client's hair. You have to finish your client's hair on time. So in the event of your machine giving you issues, you have to complete it with your hand manually. I mean sewing with, yeah. So it's our advice you learn how to make wigs manually first before you learn machine sewing. So once I move, I'm going to have a big workspace to, you know, accommodate people, anyone who wants to learn how to make wigs. With the sewing machine, I'm definitely going to start taking classes. I don't know when that will be yet, but I'm hoping soon, once I get settled in and I'll finish setting up my workspace. If you're in Abuja and you want to learn how to make machine wigs, I'm here for you. Yep, I just doubled the tracks and I'm ready to sew it on my wig.